Hey guys, welcome to Clickfunnels Getresponse channel. In this video, I wanted to talk about why you want to incorporate high ticket affiliate offers in your affiliate marketing business and why it is important and how we can do that. Everything I'll cover in this video. And before we get to the topic, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin with freedomlifesecrets.com, and I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel, email marketing, etc. If you're interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So why it is important to have high ticket affiliate offers is because it actually helps you grow your business very fast. As in, before I actually talk about the process here, I just wanted to make sure you understand what is high ticket offers are. High ticket offers are the offers that pays you actually very high price commissions, maybe starting from $1,000 to $2,000 to $3,000. So it may sound like maybe you might have gone to Amazon affiliates or ClickBank, or you have seen many products like you get paid commission like $10 to $50, and it may sound very easy to in order to sell a $10 product instead of selling a $1,000 product. Initially, this was also my thought, but actually after spending so much time in this affiliate marketing journey, I realized like it won't take that much amount of efforts or time in order to achieve, sell like $1,000 products compared to $10 products as well. So why it is important is because let's say if you're building a business, like you want to invest money back into your system, like whatever system, maybe you want to let's say you made a $50 commission and you want to invest 50% of that commission into back to your system. Maybe you take $25 and put it into paid advertisement, and you get more customer and you may start making more sales. But what happens here is like you're growing your business at the speed of $25 only, because you're investing back only $25. And this is what like one of the drawback of low ticket. I'm not saying like it doesn't work, go with it. Like if it is working for you, just do it. Don't stop everything and start high ticket affiliate marketing. What you can do is if the system is working for you by selling low ticket price products, maybe you can just add this whatever information I'm providing, you can add that to your business. Maybe add some high ticket affiliate offers and test it out how it is working for you, and how you can improvise or anything like that. And I just spoke about $50, and you're growing your business in terms of $20 $25 every single time. And let's say like if you're making $1,000 per day or maybe per month, then you let's say consider only 50% of that you're taking it in some part and you're putting it in paid advertisement. And let's say if you're investing $500 on paid advertisement, like you're reaching more people, you're getting more impressions, you're getting more leads, and you're getting more sales. And again, the more money you make, you take some part and reinvest it in your business. That way it kind of creates like a snowball effect and your business grows exponentially. And I just gave an example of $1,000. You can promote very high ticket products like $3,000, $5,000 products. So let's say if you're making $10,000 per month, you can take that $5,000 out of the proportion and you can put it in again back into paid advertisement. Just imagine the effect of like how quickly your business can grow. And maybe you have heard a lot of startup stories, like they start all of a sudden they start making millions of dollars in commissions. Like how do they do? Like they initially invest some money, and once they get that profit, like they start putting back into the system, and that's how the business grows. And maybe when you compare it with the low ticket products and the high ticket products, you may see like all the resources and the effort that is required, it's going to be almost the same. Only difference could be like the cost per customer. Maybe it will be very low in low ticket products and it will be very high in high ticket products, but it doesn't matter as long as you're getting a high margin offer here. High margin, what we call the profit here, like it's gonna still you're gonna build your business very well. And even if you consider Clickfunnels software, like it launched back in 2015, like now they are making in terms of millions. I don't know, like they are gone like exponentially. And similarly, you can grow your business. And also when I say high ticket affiliate marketing, and if you're just starting out and you are just starting your brand or agency or anything, and you just create your account and go ahead and tell someone like, hey, buy this $1,000 product and it's gonna help you and it's gonna shoot up the business, anything. And once people hear that $1,000 or $2,000 product, like they don't know you and they will be like, oh, that's a lot of money and I cannot put it in the, I don't want to buy that product like so with so much high price. So in this case, if you're just getting starting out, like you don't have name in the, you don't have a brand, or your brand is not that aware, I mean everyone is not aware about your brand, what you can do is, I made a few days back I made a video on value ladder. Value ladder is something like you start giving something for very low price or maybe free, so that they become aware of you, what you're providing to them. And it could be anything, maybe a course for $10, and in that course, like you provide value, they consume the content, they become aware of you, and they start trusting you. And then you create another service, maybe you can create funnels or send create their Facebook ad accounts, you charge $1,000 for them. Maybe you can add another layer in between, like maybe $100 upsell. And then, because if you are increasing the price, make sure you increase the value as well, because if you are not increasing the value, you are just increasing the price, and nobody is going to buy from you, and they will ask, why should I buy from you when I'm not getting that value? So that's why value ladder is important. You start as stacking up more value, and as you create more value, the price will also increase, and in the end, like the person is going to buy high ticket products, and that's how you make most of the money. So this is a very important step. Like you start something with a very less, low ticket price, and then slowly you increase the price, so that it applies only if you're starting. Maybe if you have a warm audience, you can directly send them to your high ticket offers always. So I hope this concept helps you understand like why it is important to have a high ticket affiliate marketing business. So if you're looking for high ticket affiliate offers, or if you're looking for education like how you can achieve more with high ticket affiliate marketing, I have a link in the description, that is Partner with Sebastian program, where my mentor actually teaches you how actually you can scale your business with considering the concept of value ladder. And he will give you all the proven sales funnel that work. He will give you all the email swipes that you require, and all the education that you need in order to succeed. Because with high ticket affiliate marketing, like you build a business that is stable, sustainable, and scalable as well. Because with more the money you make, like you can invest back into the system, you can scale your business very fast. And that's why it is very important. If you are looking to promote high ticket offers, go ahead and check in the link in the description, and I hope it will help you, and you won't the regret of decision of understanding more about this high ticket offer and going through that program. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be making more videos on this topic. Maybe I'll create another video on recurring commission as well, because recurring commission and high ticket is the best combination. I'll create another video for that, and I hope you got value from this video, guys. See you on the next one. Thank you.